Connor in his activity center, and Daddy making him dizzy.
It's okay. Lean back. It's okay. It's okay.
Move your hand for a minute. He's just looking at Donald. He does not quite fit. His feet don't touch the bottom.
He's just hanging out.
But he'll grow into it. He's just loving Daddy.
Isn't that fun?
Stop, see if he smiles.
Isn't that fun?
Try to make him smile.
Isn't that fun, boo-boo? Isn't that fun, boo-boo?
Hi, honey.
Isn't that fun? Smile for Mama.
You like your new activity center? You'll like it more when you get older and bigger. Yeah, it wobbles. It wobbles. Hi, honey. Hi.
Look, you got a little dragon thing.
It's a puppet.
It's a puppet.
Hi, honey.
Does it come off?
You're right in front of the...
I'm sorry.
No, it doesn't come off.
What kind of puppet is that?
You got a smile?
Got a limited range of movement.
You got a smile?
Smile for Mama.
Hi. Hi.
Smile for you, Mama. Smile for her. Smile for her.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
There you go, buddy.
Look, he's looking at the camera.
Look at you, little ham. You little ham. Yes, you are.
Are you? Yeah. You like your new activity center? Spin him around. Here we go.
Whee! Whee!